Hello everyone, welcome to another Python series, exercise, practice, solution, starting from the basic. So in this video I'm going to show you how to simply display examination schedule and as a message. So let's get started. First you should declare a variable, like I'm declaring like exam, like this, std date equals to inside date, like 30, okay, very simply, and 2021, and printing the message the examination well start all I slash I slash I again, and then closing and mod exam this variable, closing and Control S and simply run. And as you can see, the message that I'm putting telling inside this variable is showing. Thanks for watching, and the source code is available in the description below in my GitHub account. Thank you, bye.